Today's episode is brought to you by cruiseline.com, where you can compare cruise prices with easy-to-use cruise search. Check them out in the description below. Hey cruisers, we've just booked a cruise on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas, and our sail date is coming in hot. Today, we're going to share the 5 things we are doing to prep for our Royal Caribbean cruise. Do you have a cruise on the books with Royal Caribbean? After you watch this video, we'd love for you to tell us all about it in the comments below. Where are you going? What are you going to be doing? Tell us about it. Number 1, I am spending lots of time browsing and planning in the Royal Caribbean Cruise Planner, like I'm sure you are too. At first, I was a bit overwhelmed by the different options and packages, but I'm starting to figure it out. So far, we've booked our shows, which was super easy to do, and we've reserved our water park passes at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. We also bought a one-device surf and stream Voom internet package, which I was happy to learn also works at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. You never know, maybe we'll go live from the island. We bought a drink package too, but we did that by phone, which we've made an entire episode about, so stay tuned for that one. All right, back to the cruise planner. This is also where we're keeping an eye out for our cabin assignment. For the first time in our cruising history, we booked a guarantee cabin. So we're excited to see what cabin we're assigned to. Oh, and I'm still undecided on the dining package options. So can you please let us know your thoughts on those in the comments below? Do you think I need a dining package, or should we just wing it and purchase specialty dining a la carte on board? I don't know. Help me out, guys. Number 2, it should be no secret that I'm finding myself binge listening to the Royal Caribbean blog podcast, especially episodes that involve the ship we're sailing on. I've also found a ton of great info on the Royal Caribbean blog website, including an incredibly well-organized section where I can review past Cruise Compass newsletters to get a feel for what to expect on board. Now, I have followed Matt at Royal Caribbean blog for years, but this is the first time I've been looking at all of his content as a Royal Caribbean cruiser. And even though I've been on over 30 cruises, only 2 were with Royal Caribbean. So yeah, I consider myself a Royal Caribbean rookie. And I have to say, Matt, thank you for working so hard to provide incredible content to ease the minds of newer Royal Caribbean cruisers. I have a new respect for you today, man. Number 3. How well or not well I pack for a cruise has a big impact on how comfortable the travel experience is for us. From hauling our bags to the airport to knowing how to gauge how many swimsuits I'll need for my son, my packing game needs to be on point. So I'm fine-tuning my packing list and setting aside clothes and essentials in my closet early. I find that keeping a running packing list on my phone, in addition to the standard list we use, helps me to stay organized and reduces planning stress. When I think of something I need to pack, I just jot it down in the notes section on my device and forget about it until it comes time to pack. No more running lists in my head that there's no way I can remember. Our family likes to pack carry-on only for our cruises, especially when we fly to our embarkation port. So you will see some pack with me videos coming soon. If you want to see the packing list we use, check out the CruiseTipsTV Academy in the description below. We'll also give you a special discount code for that. Number 4, I'm learning all about Royal Caribbean's policies as we get closer to our cruise. Can I take my own soda on board? Is my son tall enough to ride the water slides? Are drones permitted? How many formal nights are there? There's no magic here in how we're researching this stuff. I'm mostly using the FAQ section of the Royal Caribbean website and checking on message boards when I can't find an answer. Number 5, lastly, we are completing Royal Caribbean's check-in process online. This is where we enter our guest information, passport information, stuff like that, set up our onboard spending account, and agree to our cruise ticket contract. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. A little later, we'll also be able to see our cabin assignment, access our set sail pass, and print off our cruise documents and luggage tags for cruise day. Yay! I love it when it gets to that point. So what did we miss, guys? Is there anything else we need to be doing to plan for our cruise? Let us know in the comments below. And if you'd like to hear more about how we're prepping for this cruise, check out our podcast, Cruise Tips TV Unplugged. We'll link to it below. Until next time, friends, we'll see you on the high seas. Thanks for watching.